So a little birdie by the name of Evan Carmichael convinced me this past weekend in Phoenix that I'm actually doing you a disservice if I don't take all the knowledge that I have inside of me, do my very best to get it inside of you. And his speech really connected with me in terms of the fact that one of the things I love to do is actually empower others. And it's something that I haven't been spending enough time on lately. So this is my announcement. I'm going to be in earnest creating quite a lot of content for you. And the whole goal behind this content is I want to inspire you, I want to empower you, I want to help you to create the things you want to create, learn the things you want to learn, do the things you want to do. Because really the secret to doing incredible things has nothing to do with your intelligence. You don't need to be a genius to be able to master many different crafts or skills. All you need is to find someone who's already figured it out and learn from them. And that's what I'm going to do for you. I'm going to show you the things I've already figured out, teach it to you in the easiest way possible, and my goal at the end of every video that I create for you is that you feel totally empowered to go and do that thing or go and use that new skill that I just shared with you. All right, I'm really excited to get this going. I will be seeing you very soon.